I'm about to show you the exact method I use to find $100,000 a month winning products to sell in my own stores, and you can do all of this in under 10 minutes. By the end of this, you'll be able to find products that are already selling, validate them properly, and know if they're actually worth testing or not. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. I'll jump into Zik and I'll go over here on their Product Explorer tool, and we can use all of these different filters over here to find dropshipping products, one product stores, print on demand stores. But really, I just want to find products that are doing at least $50,000 every single month. So we'll type in the minimum revenue there. We'll type in 30 days as the sales date range. And with all of this typed in, let's go ahead and click search. So right now we're finding trending dropshipping products that are making at least $50,000 every single month. Yeah, some of these are making significantly more. Like this one's making 100,000, this one's doing 150,000 a month. This one's actually doing around 300,000 a month. Then you have other products that are exactly at that mark. This one's doing 50,000, 50,000, this one's doing 60,000 a month. But if any of these products catch your attention, you can actually click on this icon right here and analyze these stores further. So for example, this brand right here, Light Tower, is a one product store. They have 898 sales over the last 30 days and $71,000 in revenue. And we can take a look at their sales chart right here and see that sales are really consistent for the most part. They're doing around $2,000 every single day. So this way we're not entirely in the dark guessing here. We're starting with products that already have proven demand and high revenue generated behind them. And with these sales charts, you want to look for consistent sales, not just random spikes here and there. So this product is a really good one. From what I see right here, it's already worth testing. We can take a look at this brand's product page by clicking on it right here. And we're looking at the brand Light Tower. So I really like this product page already. They have a really strong offer in place. You can get one for $80, two for $143, or three for $200. And quantity breaks are just a really good way to increase your AOV or your average order value. This just means you make a little bit more money for each and every sale. So taking a look at their product page right here, they have a really strong description. They have that sticky add to cart button that follows us as we scroll down this page. They have a lot of strong visuals showing this product in action, what it does, how it works. They have their FAQs down here at the bottom and all of their customer reviews. I really like this product page. So let's go back to Zik and actually take a look at this brand's active ads right now. If we take a look at this brand's ad channels right here, we can see they're running all of their ads right now on Facebook ads. So let's take a closer look. And here's this exact same brand on the Facebook ads library. They actually have a ton of active ads running around this product right now. And one thing that makes this brand even stronger is if you take a look at when these ads actually started running, a lot of these ads are over a year old. Like these ads all started running in May and June of last year. This one started running in June of 2024. All of these ads right here started running in summer of 2024. And these ones actually fall of 2024. So the fact that these ads are a couple years old and they're still running right now is a really good sign, especially when this brand's doing like $70,000 a month with this product. And you guys can scroll through here and see exactly how they're positioning their product and how they're promoting it on Facebook. And they have a fair mix of static image ads as well as their UGC style videos. Like let's take a look at a few examples. So this one right here is a really strong visual of this actual product in someone's room, and then they just have the caption, "They really transformed my space." So it's a really strong ad creative. It's obviously working very well for them, and you can see all of their ad copy right here. So there's really not much to this. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of their videos. And this content is super simple. You can obviously order this product and recreate this yourself, or send it to some influencers that could do this for you. But this is some of the most simple content I've seen in a while, and it's performing so well for them. So whenever you come across any of these winning products and these brands on Facebook ads, just go through each one of these creatives and see exactly how they're promoting it. This will just give you some ideas when you go to sell this product yourself and actually launch your own ad campaigns. So I'm gonna go back to Zik real quick, and I wanna go ahead and confirm repeatability on this product. I want to see if there's multiple stores selling it right now. So I'll go back to the Product Explorer tool over here on the left-hand side. I'm going to leave all of this blank right here, but right here for keywords, I'm going to go ahead and type in the name of this actual product. Change it slightly. I'll call it LED Tower because I'm not exactly sure what other brands are calling this product. You have to be very specific with your keywords here. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on a ton of products. So I'm only seeing this light tower right here. Let's try corner lamp instead. I'll type in corner lamp and let's search for this. All right, there we go. This is exactly what I was looking for. Here's this exact same product being sold by multiple brands right now. Now it's not nearly doing that $70,000 a month like that first brand is for all of these other stores, but you have other stores that just started focusing on this and they're doing around $2,000 every single month with it. So it's a really good sign. You have that strong main brand right up here at the top, and then you have other competitor stores that are jumping on this trend trying to make the same amount of sales themselves. I wouldn't say this product is overly saturated just yet because there's only one brand that stands out, but that's a really good sign of early demand. You could definitely jump on this trend and make a piece of that sales chart yourself, because one store doing well means nothing. but multiple stores doing well means there's real demand behind these products. And this removes luck from the equation entirely, because we're doing the research beforehand. This is exactly how you avoid one-hit products that die immediately. Right now, we're looking for evergreen products that we can sell all year round. So when you come across these winning products, you can also pull them up on Google Trends to make sure there's actual search demand behind these. So typing in the term corner lamp, you guys can see the chart right here. It's actually getting around 86,000 searches every single month, up 44% from the previous year. It had a major uptrend right here and fell back down a little bit. But if you guys look at this general graph right here, it is increasing for the most part. Like during 2025, it's getting around 75,000 searches, but the year before it's doing around 45,000. So that's a really good sign right there. And you guys can see all the different search terms that people are actually looking up, the questions they're asking, as well as the actual brands they're searching for. Of course, you guys can see some related trends as well as the actual channels people are looking this up on. So right away, you guys can get a good idea that Facebook and TikTok would be a great place to sell these corner lamps. And then of course, you can see the interest by region, where these people are actually interested in this product. So this can just help you target different locations of who you want to sell this product to. So you can validate all the sales data on Zik and then go on Google Trends afterwards to validate all the search demand. And a product that is this strong is very clearly a winner. This is definitely something I'd be interested in testing on one of my own stores. And with all of this, I'm not trying to catch a trend at the top. Instead, I want something that can actually last. So I'm going to go back to the Facebook ads library one more time, and I'm going to type in the same exact product again on here. So we're looking up corner lamps, and we're going to find all the different stores on here that are actually selling this. We keep coming across that main brand right here, Light Tower. They're obviously one of the main stores focused on selling it. You have other similar and related products, but I'm not actually finding the same exact one other than this Light Tower. Yeah, no matter how much I keep scrolling through here, I'm not finding any other brands focused on it. Maybe we change the search term and type in like LED tower instead, but typing that in, we're getting the exact same results on here. So there's really only one main brand focused on this product right now with Facebook ads. Again, that's a really good sign. You don't want to jump on these trends when there's dozens of people already selling it. You want to sell these products when there's only a handful of main competitors out there. That way it's not saturated and there's still money to be made. Because if people are spending money on these products, that just means it's actually working for them. And it's up to you to reverse engineer all of this. And this shows you how the product is actually being sold, not just that it sells. And you can repeat this exact process for as many products as you want to. Like I'll go back to our original list right here and let's go ahead and find another product that catches our attention. We have this LED light skin mask right here that's doing $123,000 a month right now. So I want to take a closer look at this store. So this is the Cleopatra mask. They're a 2-product store. They have over 800 sales and $150,000 roughly in revenue over the last 30 days. Taking a look at their sales chart, sales are very consistent for the most part. They're doing around $3,000-$4,000 every single day. Then they have days where it goes up to like $9,000. So overall, this is a really good product to sell. So we'll exit out of there. We can take a look at all of their winning products down here. So they have the LED light skin mask right there, as well as a hydrating aftercare. So this little upsell right here is bringing them an extra $16,000 a month. And that's just a really good way to make a ton of additional revenue every month, is to offer similar products as upsells to your existing winners. So we'll take a look at this brand's product page, and they're selling it for around $300. They have a really strong and well-branded product page. I like everything on here. It's visually appealing. They have a ton of high quality content, social proof, sticky add to cart button, testimonials. They answer every single question a customer would have and tell them exactly why they would need this product. This is a 10 out of 10 product page. I really like this. But when we pull up this brand's Facebook ads library, they don't have any active ads running right now. But if we go on their TikTok page, they have a really strong social media presence. Like they have 13,000 followers, 18,000 likes, and hundreds, if not thousands of videos posted. So maybe they're doing all of these sales entirely on organic. You never know. Because from the looks of it, they don't have any active ads running right now. And then if we go on Google Trends, this product is actually on a major uptrend right now. Like you guys can see that search demand chart right here, and it's actually doing 1.4 million searches every single month. And that's already up 126% from just the last year. So this is for sure a really good trend to be on. And you can see everything that people are looking up. Like there's this exact same brand we're looking at now. They're obviously very popular, but you can see all the different brands people are looking up, the questions they're asking, as well as the attributes. We can see all of the related trends right here, as well as the interest by region. So if you wanted to sell this product yourself, you could sell it in Australia, the US, Canada, the UK, as well as New Zealand. Those are the top 5 markets interested in this product right now. So this entire process took less than 10 minutes, but now we already have a couple products that are actually worth testing. So now you guys know, most people don't fail because dropshipping doesn't work. They fail because they pick the wrong products to sell. Most people just pick random products they see on TikTok without validating any demand at all. They ignore data and choose overly saturated junk and then wonder why they don't make any sales. But this is the difference between guessing and knowing what actually has potential, because we're trying to find products that are already working with room to scale. And you can do this time and time again to find winners to sell in your own stores. That's the exact method I use to find winning products that go on to do serious numbers. And now you can use this same process yourself. And if you actually apply this instead of guessing, you're already ahead of 90% of dropshippers. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. I have a ton of helpful resources linked down below for you guys. Don't miss out on any of those. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.